Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the row layout in Flutter.
Hello guys, Zacksoft here. On this channel I'll be making weekly videos about mobile programming and Flutter. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button, share this video to one or two of your friends and drop a like. Without further ado, let's jump in.
Alright guys, a row layout is a widget which align each child in a horizontal line side by side. So let's start and see how to implement it in Flutter. So let's create our home class where we are going to put all the layout. The shortcut to create a stateless widget is to write st, and then we can give it a name of home, and we can jump in and import it in our main function, in our main class. So here let's return a scaffold in order to have the body. So there we can return a row in the body, let's return a center, and then we put a row, and we are going to have 3 containers, and show you how we can align them in our row. So you can see the row take the children, which is a list of widgets. Any type of widget can be aligned in the same line horizontally within a row layout. So the first container will have a height, a width of double infinity. Actually let's give it double infinity. It will have a color dark, and the margin of 30. So let's duplicate it 3 times, and change the width because they will be aligned in the horizontal. So let's give it 100. And then duplicate it 3 times and change the color blue, and this one will be green. Let's try to run it and see the output. You can see there we have 3 containers aligned side by side in one single line, and a margin between them. So if we want to put all of them in the center, so let's make the cross alignment to the center, and the main axis alignment to the center too, because we want all the elements to be in the center. Alright, now you can see our row layout is perfect fine, and all the childs all the children in it are aligned uh, horizontally in one single line. So don't forget to like this video and share it to your friend, and subscribe for more. All right.